In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony Wh-ch520 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to properly set up and use your Sony Wh-ch520 headphones on your console. So, the difficulty with doing this is that for whatever reason, even though these are Sony-made headphones, you cannot connect them directly to a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. This is because the only way to use these headphones on any device is through Bluetooth. And as it stands today, the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 do not support Bluetooth audio devices. So I just wanted to get that very clear and out of the way. You will not be able to connect them directly. You have to choose some sort of workaround. I'm going to present two workarounds in this video. For the first workaround, you will be able to do this if your TV supports Bluetooth. Since the PlayStation 5 should be streaming the audio to your TV, either the PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4, what you can do is connect the Sony headphones over Bluetooth to your TV. So all that you would have to do is go over to the TV settings and in there make sure that you have the option to connect Bluetooth speakers or headphones. So just put them into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for around 7 seconds and choose it from the list of available devices. Once this is done and they are paired up, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your TV, which should include the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 audio. Of course, there are some limitations to this, but it is a very straightforward approach. Now, the other option that you have is going to be to purchase an adapter. These adapters essentially allow you to use any sort of Bluetooth headset. So you will have to plug them in, and once they are plugged in, you will be able to connect your headphones to the adapter. I recommend the adapters that plug into a 3.5mm jack. So once you do this, they will be detectable and then you can listen to all of the audio directly being output by the console. You have to choose one of these two workarounds, and sadly, you cannot use the Wh-ch520 wired through a 3.5mm jack. It lacks that port, so as it stands today, the only options to use it on a console are workarounds. Because the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 officially do not support Bluetooth devices, you have to choose one of these workarounds. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony Wh-ch520 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.